Hello, I'm Papia. In this problem, we will have to determine if this function 1 over x minus 4 is approaching positive infinity or negative infinity when x is approaching to 4 from left side or right side. Now, notice the function first is 1 over x minus 4. So, as x is approaching to 4, so it's taking values close to 4, the denominator will get really small. And therefore, the entire function value will get really large. So, obviously, the answer will be infinity because it is going to approach to infinity. Question is positive or negative infinity. So, we have to figure out the sign, okay? One way you can figure that out is plug in some x values close to 4. So, what are the values that x is picking up to the left side of 4? So, let's think about it, right? Give me a value that is to the left of 4, which means less than 4, but very close to 4. So, let's say 3.9. That's a value close to 4 and to the left side, okay? So, if you plug that in the function 1 over 3.9 minus 4, what do you get? What is 3.9 minus 4? Of course, it's a negative value, right? And it's 0.1. The value is not really important because we know that the entire thing will go to infinity. Question is, what is the sign? And you can see right away that is going to be a negative value. And you can do this for a few other values. You can plug in, say, x equals 3.99, 3.999. Whatever you plug in here is less than 4. So, this quantity will always be negative, right? So, this function is approaching to negative infinity as x is approaching 4 from left side. Okay, so let's move on to the next limit. Now, x is approaching 4 from the right side. What does that mean? Again, that means x is picking up values that is greater than 4, but close to 4. So, you can do the same thing again just to verify. So, give me a value that is larger than 4, but very close to it. Say 4.1 maybe. And you plug it in the function again. So, 1 over x minus 4. So, 4.1 minus 4. And basically, you have to look at the sign, right? What is 4.1 minus 4? Positive or negative? Of course, positive. Positive 0.1. And therefore, you see it will be a positive quantity. And you can continue, you can plug in, say, x equals 4.01, 4.001. All those values are greater than 4. And therefore, this quantity will always turn out to be positive. And hence, this function is approaching to positive infinity as x approaches 4 from right hand side. I hope you understand. Thank you.